Peace, love, and light, my YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. My lashes are doing something to me. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And today, no, it is not a lock update. You will notice by the thumbnail, I am going to talk about how, God, my arm is big. Ooh. I'm going to talk about how I achieved the lock braid out look that I posted on my community channel as well as my Instagram. It's a big deal for me. It is a big deal for me. If you look at it now, it's been like 4 days, and yeah, we're still crimpy. We're still crimping. Pay no attention to the sleeping child in the background. Normally I kick him out when I'm recording my videos, but he fell asleep, so we can let him slide today, right? Right. So, why I decided to elaborate on this particular braid out or style is because I have tried numerous upon numerous different kinds of curling and crimping method. I also use, you've seen me when I had curls, when I have the voluptuous curls in, and because of the thickness of my locks, nothing really sticks or works out that well. Not well enough for me to be like, make a video about it, or I normally even like wash it out within the next 2 days because it simply doesn't look the way, it's supposed to. So I have pictures of when I recently did the look, how my hair looked the first day of taking down the braid out. And needless to say, if you have not seen it on my community tab, I will show you again. It is fabulous. Look at it, right? While I fix my lash. So yes, that braid out was everything for me, everything. And honestly, I can't say I've done anything really different except I used a product. I know, right? Me using a product. I used this. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. I will take a photo of it because this light is Smooth Care Olive Oil Foam Wrap for all hair types, blow dry and hold for wet sets and whatnot. Nature's Miracle brand. It's $6.05 over here, so it's probably a lot cheaper where you guys are because everything over here is ridiculously overpriced. So this came recommended by a loctician, the only loctician that I ever let touch my hair, honestly, when I used to get my retwist in style, which is Clinique Colebrook from Create Hair Salon. Hit her up on Instagram, y'all. Want to check out the looks? She does braids, she does everything. She's just awesome. Anyway, let's focus. Yeah, so she's the only person that I've trusted when it comes to my hair. So when I got word that this is what she used, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out. Wish me luck. And it is very light. It smells wonderful, and like it doesn't leave residue. There's no residue. So this is not my first time using it. The first time I've used it is when I curled my hair a few weeks ago, and it was one of the tightest holds that I've had. Only secondary to using the Lock Lion products. I gonna attach that video to this where you can view me using their products. That is the tightest hold that I've had, and using this was the second tightest hold for my curls. So if you care to get this ish. And like I said, because my locks are so thick, right, I don't hold curls and crimps and things easy. In no time my hair just poofs back out. So this is awesome. I'm shaking it a lot, getting it all foamy, but I'm gonna put it down. I did post on my Instagram when I, my little mini 1-minute video of me applying the product. So I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna throw that video in here for you to see and view so that you can see how I did it. Of course, naturally, you know me, I'm not touching my roots. I did not touch my roots at all. I am not messing with my roots. I am not retwisting. So this, yeah, this is what I do. I curl, I crimp, I style, but I don't mess with the roots because I like to believe that you don't need retwist Rosa. You don't need retwisted locks to have a great style look. You don't need fresh roots to have great hair. Clearly. So here's a video. Tell me what you guys think. So how was that, right? It was nice. I legit let the braids sit in my hair for like 4 days. I did not even go near the dryer. I let it air dry, like ridiculous. I washed my hair, colored it, and I let it just air dry for 4 days. And when I took it out, it was just fantastic, magnificent, you know. And I still think it looks super adorable and super cute right now. So for my people with thick locks, and you guys know how thick my locks are, try it. Try it, try it, try it. If you want to braid out or curl out, but you are having problems with keeping, you know, the look because of the natural texture of your hair just poofing out, lion locks, and then this. Yeah, hopefully you can find it where you're at. So that is all I have for you. Next month, of course, I will have another lock update on how we're progressing along in our freeform journey. Yes, that is a god. That's a face. Wow. Anyway, so yes, I will be back with a update next month for you. So no need to worry, no need to fret. Girl, see, in the meantime, you can check me out on my Instagram, where I'll be, like I said, I post more regularly up on my Instagram than I do here, because I don't want to bore you guys. Like, there's only so much things I can talk about before it starts to get repetitive and, like, you know, ooh, dull. So peace, love, and light. I want to wish you all the best and have a wonderful month, and I will see you soon. Bye, my lovies.